The Nifty 50, unveiling India's stock market pulse. The Indian stock market has been on a meteoric rise, recently claiming the coveted fourth position on the global stage. But for investors looking to navigate this dynamic landscape, a clear understanding of its performance is crucial. Enter the Nifty 50, a powerful benchmark index that serves as a compass, guiding you towards the heart of Indian equities. Demystifying the Nifty 50. Imagine the Nifty 50 as an all-star team, meticulously curated to represent the Indian stock market's elite. It tracks the performance of the 50 largest and most liquid companies listed on the National Stock Exchange of India, NSE. These companies encompass a diverse spectrum of industries, with heavyweights like financials, information technology, and oil and gas playing a prominent role. A dynamic representation. Unlike a static list, the Nifty 50 is a constantly evolving entity. It undergoes daily calculations based on a free-float market capitalization method. In simpler terms, the weightage of each company within the index reflects its current market value. This ensures the Nifty 50 remains a true reflection of the ever-shifting tides of the Indian stock market. To further maintain its relevance, the index undergoes a facelift twice a year, meticulously adjusting its composition to reflect the changing landscape of Indian equities. Beyond a list, the Nifty 50's significance. The Nifty 50 transcends being a mere list of companies. It functions as the cornerstone for a multitude of financial instruments traded on the NSE. This influential index serves as the benchmark for various investment products, including index funds, derivatives, and meticulously crafted investment portfolios. By monitoring the Nifty 50, investors gain valuable insights into the overall health of the Indian stock market, empowering them to make informed investment decisions. India's stock market takes flight. The Nifty 50's success story is intricately woven with the remarkable rise of the Indian stock market. In a historic feat achieved in January 2024, India surpassed Hong Kong to become the world's fourth largest stock market. This phenomenal growth can be attributed to a potent combination of factors, including a robust domestic economy and a surge in foreign investments. Unlocking investment opportunities with the Nifty 50. The Nifty 50 presents a compelling gateway for investors seeking to capitalize on India's burgeoning economic potential. Through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that meticulously track the Nifty 50, you can gain exposure to a diversified basket of Indian stocks in a single investment. This eliminates the need for individual stock selection, offering a convenient and efficient way to participate in India's growth story. Empowering informed decisions. Understanding the intricacies of the Nifty 50 equips you with the knowledge required to make informed investment decisions regarding the Indian stock market. While this blog serves as a springboard for your investment journey, it's crucial to conduct further research and consult a financial advisor before taking the plunge. With the Nifty 50 as your compass, are you ready to unlock the immense potential of the Indian market?